Tipsters. Today we're going to begin our fourth and last module of the school year. For this last module, we're going to be going over Greek mythology, and I'm so excited to be sharing these books with you on this wonderful journey. So, I'm going to show you a quick preview of some books that we're going to be looking at during this module real quick. So this is one right here, The Gods and Goddesses of to Olympias. We're also going to be looking at The Gift of the Gods from Gods and Goddesses. And we don't have time, but this is another good book that we would have read during the regular school year. So, if you ask nicely, maybe, just maybe, I could help you out and get the copy of that book. But before we start, there are some things I need from you and some things I need you to understand before we even jump into this. So the first thing I need you to do is I need you to grab a pencil and a notepad. All right? So if you need to, pause this video, go grab a pencil and a notepad. All right? I'll wait. Awesome, you're back. The reason I asked you to grab your supplies is because before you type out anything down, I want you to think about what you're going to write it on a paper, and then ask yourself, does this make sense? If it does, go ahead and type it. And if it doesn't, try rewriting it. I want you to give me your best thought out answers. Next, I want you to know that Greek mythology is very dramatic and twisted. The gods and goddesses are petty, they fight, and they have boyfriends and girlfriends like crazy. I know it's a little unsettling at times, but this is ancient literature, and good readers in elementary through college and even beyond college should understand all texts and different types of literature. Next, this is supposed to be fun. Have fun, learn something, and enjoy the text. Okay? And lastly, do the work. Read everything, watch everything, and answer everything. Write in complete sentences with correct punctuation, capitalization. Even though you're at home, you're still in school. So let's dig in the objective for today. Okay? So our objective for today is I can explain ways ancient Greek culture is still present today. This means we're going to find out ways that Greek culture has influenced our lives today. In other words, what are some things that Greeks invented that we're still using in our present day? Now, let's go into our do now. Our do now says, today we will begin to learn about Greek mythology and how it influences our lives today. What practices from a long time ago do we still use in our society today? So, what the question is asking you is, what influences, so what is something that is happening back in ancient cultures, do we use today in our lives, right now, in the current present? Now I want you to stop, think, write it down, and then type out your answer. Once you're done, click next. All right, see y'all in a bit.